Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nah, 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 nah. Nah, 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 nah. Look, I said I ain't really got no time for lunch date. But before the show, I hit you like a lunch plate. Baby, look so good, got me hard.
Well, guys, guess what? Nah, I'm kidding. It's back. There it is. Right out here. I'll start it up in a second, guys. Just gonna go over it real quick. Right here, the Mighty Mouse catch can. You look down there. That's the underdrive pulley. And that's really all you can see that I did. I promise there's a lot of stuff done inside too. It's a little dirty, I know. It's been sitting for 2 months getting work done, so can only do so much. Alright. It's back, finally. Picked it up over the weekend. Picked it up Saturday night and drove it home. Drove it around Sunday a little bit, not too much. Drove it to work today and back. Only problem I'm having with it is it's stalling a little bit. So basically what's happening is, especially when I pulled up my driveway because my driveway is so steep, what's happening is it's actually stalling out. I think it's because the converter is so new. I talked to Brian. He told me not to worry about it. Give it a week, maybe 2. I'm going to give it 2. He said a week, but I'll give it 2 weeks. If I'm still having the problem, I'll get with him. I'm sure he'll fix it up. But brand new stall, so it's just a little tight down low. Should have a problem with that. This cam's pretty big, so it's kind of easy to stall out. But all the work's done. It's finally back. It's mine. Tune feels great. It's great to drive. The only kind of weird thing about it is the stall is so big. It's almost feels like a turbo 400 transmission. It's so glidey, so smooth, which isn't a problem. I mean, it's great for driving down the road, but it's kind of weird, kind of different. I'll get used to it, I'm sure. But it's a 4800 stall, so pretty much 5000. It's a big stall. It's quick from what I feel so far. I haven't gone crazy with it just due to the fact that I'm trying to get used to it still. So I haven't done any crazy highway pulls or nothing. It spins tires pretty easy though. I did figure that out in my first trip on the highway, so gotta make sure I pay attention to that. It spins tires a lot easier than it used to. But yeah, it's finally back. There it is. I'm gonna go ahead and get in, start it up for you guys. It sounds really mean, and it is super loud. I'm gonna just reach in here real quick, get it started for you guys. Step in here where it's a little more quiet. I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down over there behind the car and pull it in so you guys can hear it a little bit. But you can't hear me talk out there. I'm kind of hoping you can hear me here, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull it in. Well, there it is, back where it belongs. I'm gonna drive it all week. I'll do another update probably in about a week or two on the car. I'll just let you guys know how it's doing. I don't know if you could hear in the video, but whenever I pop the hood, you can actually hear the intake manifold. It's a ported intake manifold, so you can actually hear it whistling. Kind of sounds like an owl hooting. I believe that's what the sound is. I'm hoping that's what the sound is. It should be. Plenty of other people who have Rick Crawford ported intake manifolds say they hoot like an owl, so I'm not too worried about it. I asked Brian, he says that's probably what it is, so I'm not worried about it. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on it. I'm gonna drive it all week. Hopefully get used to it a little bit, be able to do 1 or 2 actual pulls with it. Still scares me right now. It spun at 105 yesterday when I wasn't even in it, so getting used to that and the huge stall. But I'm happy with it. Tune turned out great. Brian did a great job. Rick did a great job speccing it out. Brian, if you actually happen to watch this video, thank you for all the work you did, and your dad and everyone else who pitched in while you got hurt again, because that's your luck apparently. But there's the car. I'm happy with it. Hopefully you guys can get a good video of it here soon. I'm hoping to actually team up with one of my friends who flies drones and get a bit of a car chase video going on with the drone. I think that'd be pretty cool. But hopefully you guys will get to see a video like that probably about a month. I'm gonna make sure it gets all nice and ready and me getting used to it before I start beating the crap out of it. Well, anyway, there's my video, guys. Thank you for your support. If you're new to the channel, if you're watching this from one of the pages, hit the subscribe button down below. I do everything car stuff related. But there's my new car. Well, there's my new cam. But yeah, thank you guys. Stay safe. Watch for motorcycles.